Hello, my beautiful people. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. How na day? Hope everywhere sweet. Hope everywhere pepper soup. Hope una dey enjoy. I greet everybody. If una dey hear some noise, na rain dey fall for this side. We dey summer, rain just burst today dey fall. Anyway, my brothers and sisters, I just talk a little things. I just still talk a little things. You know, some people they may talk about, I'll still talk about Monica with some of his followers. Now, especially that one now I want to talk. Get this video where just they go up and down, say Monica go Nigeria, say deceive them, deceive some followers, some say not deceive them. My brothers and sisters, wetin I want, for me, it's my opinion, especially those of una dey do live video. If una dey do live video, una dey tell people truth, una dey tell them the truth. Who wan believe, you go believe. Like that Monica video, I watch am because I no fit talk say I no dey watch Monica video. No, because na YouTube I still dey work. I still dey inside YouTube, so any video where they pass, sometimes I go still click am, I go watch am. But for Facebook, I no dey too much dey stay there say me I watch video for Facebook. So e get one certain time when Monica do something, say make people no dey do something back home. E don take that time. E say make dem no dey do something back home. Wetin una wan go do for Nigeria? I no dey go Nigeria again. My sister Monica, you know one thing, many people dey for that whether na Facebook or YouTube, where they follow you, where they believe in you. Mona dey tell them the truth. If you dey talk am as e be. Who wan believe, you go believe. But to tell person say mona no do something for home, na inside potopoto na wan go build house put, when you know say you still get one room for inside potopoto. Make we dey talk truth. Me wey still born for Igbo, wey I dey for many years for this abroad, when my children dey here, I no born one pikin for us, I still get one room for that potopoto. Make we dey talk truth to ourselves. If you no talk truth to yourself, I don't know as I take talk am, because for me, I believe say if I tell you, if you like, you still do. If you no like, you no go do. That one na be for that one, because there are many people wey believe una. You go just say, this person just talk and so e be o. They too believe una. Mona dey tell them the truth. If you like, go do. If you not like, may you not go do. But may you go tell person say, na inside potopoto you wan go build house. God forbid bad thing. Even in Yahoo, I know they go there. I wait concern me, concern Nigeria. No. Tell them say, I still get one room for there. If tomorrow I want to sell her, nobody will tell me say me I not sell her, now your property. Wetin make us wey they decide they do something back home? Not be say we they go they sleep and really. Not be say we go just carry our especially people, especially we born for this side. People we never born now, they never know where they want go, but they feel go Nigeria, go marry, go born, go stay there. Especially we born for this side, we marry for this side. Wetin make us they do something back home? Because of say it don't tell where you come out, you still get something. And not be only that one. If you get 5,000 euro for a year, you know if you use that they do anything for abroad here, it no go reach anything. But for 5,000 euro, you go see something where you go still take and do for home. Now make person they do something back home. Not be say we not know what we they do. Say if you get more money for year, quick go just carry and go out, because you go fit take and do something. If you get 2 million for Nigeria, you go use and take do better thing. But for year 2 million, you not do anything. If you want buy apartment for year, if you not get, depends of area where you want buy apartment. If you not get about 80 to 100,000 euro, you not fit do anything. You depends of area where you want buy. If you go area where open where sometimes you go see only 2 rooms. They will tell you say now 250,000 euro. Depends of the area. So now make people, we go say if I get this money, if I go Nigeria, I be big woman. Now make people they do a small, they go they do something, they go home. Not be say person don't know what is supposed to they do. So Monica, my sister, I know if I, because for me, when you talk and say Mona not build house for potopoto, I not be say I not believe you say you not get something. If you not get, your husband get. That one na sure backer. That one na man. We women, sometimes woman not get something, but wait till your husband get, now you still get am because you don't born for am, now don't marry. But for you, for me, you deceive people. If they say you not deceive, na lie. Not tell them say make they not do. If you like, may you do. Well, as I said, as I talk am before, I no fit tell person say not do something for home. I no fit tell you. It's your choice. The one room wey me still get for that Nigeria, if I wan sell am today, no person go tell me say no do am. Na my property. I do as I like. That time when me do one, that time something not the dear. I know how much I take do wetin I do. E no reach anything, but now, if I say I wan sell, I go get time. I even get time 20 times. I go say, the money where I spend that time not reach anything, but now, see the money where come out. All na investment. All na investment. Some of our people, then they, whether they get brain, whether they not get me, I don't know. I don't know. If you just tell them, say, now so it be, they will say, now so that person talker. Now so they will just they carry this something they go. So for me, say deceive people, because some people they will believe in you. Say really, you know, do something for us now abroad here now you do put. Tell them the truth. If you don't want to tell them all your whole life, I know something you tell them all your whole life, but for something back home, you feel tell them, say if you get 50 euro, you feel say they do small thing for her. If you get 100 euro, you feel say they do. But where you there for a year, may you make sure say you there secure. You dey secure, say not be say you dey sleep for grant, say because you want do something back home, but you must make sure say you still dey okay for here. Because many people really dey for abroad for here, they'll get 4 flats for Nigeria, but now only 1 room now they sleep for here. E dey. But if you go convert the money wey take buy that 4 flat, wey take build that 4 flat for here, you know reach and take do anything. That be the thing, because here they expensive well. If you want buy only what they call monolocale, that is only just one room, like 1 room, kitchen, everything go there inside. You go depends of area where you want go buy and now lot of money. If you want buy and not be say you will say na 50 euro, 20 euro as we say they take money go home. No. Yeah, and if you want buy and okay, you tell me bank can't give you money, bank give you money, you can't pay at times 2 for bank. Better wow, if you get 50 euro, you go send and go as they will use and tell plus if na plaster they want still do, they will still do small for them. If na 100 euro you still get, now make people they do one. Not be say they don't know what they do. Especially those people who don't know what they do, now go just believe say I know they do anything back home. I know they do anything. Now your investment. Now your investment. Anything where you do back home, if you do and where, if you want sell land, now your money, nobody go tell you, follow you, drag the money. Now it be just that one. So they tell people, say, man, I not go build her for inside poto. We know, say our place safe free for. Even they happen for yourself. You go see everywhere go cover with water. It they happen for abroad. Don't be saying only Nigeria. It's just that Nigeria, many people no want to go there again because of no light, nothing. Like say our country better, e good, say light. There many people for they say I beg they go as I want go say for 6 months, may I come back. Light not there, road not good. Now make many people they condemn that our country. If let's say be say road dey where light day, we for the run they go because now only 3 months summer, 9 day here. All now winter, na so cold go beat you enter inside your body. But road not there, light not there. Person no go there, condemn and say, I will come out for inside where good. You go stay for where not good. Not be say that country not good. It's just that people where they rule us, they not good, they be bad head. Nah. So my brothers and my sisters, then, for me, if you want, may you do something back home, you feel do. Now your investment. Now that one now you do say because if you dey send money every month, say na 100 euros, say now you dey send, because depends of where as you take dey live depends on the money wey you dey make for this side. E no mean say you dey do something back home make you no eat o. E no mean say you dey do something back home make you dey sleep for ground for this side o. No, do am as your pocket reach. If na small small, if you wan do am, you go follow the right way. No follow people wey go eat your money, or if na agent you wan just help you, make dem help you. You make sure say lawyer dey, everything dey. The money wey you spend, e no waste. Even though say you spend 5 million, e no waste. Maybe tomorrow if you wan go sell that house, you go come sell am 10 million, you go come sell am 15 million. You don carry your money, your money don come back, and the gain don even follow am come. Na make people dey say, I must do something back home. People wey dey do something back home, no be say dem dey stupid. Dem no dey stupid. Even me wey still born for Igbo, I even do wetin, if dem still say landlady, dem go still call me join am. But if I decide say, because I know say my children no dey go there, I know before I do am. I know, but it's not my investment. If I wan sell am tomorrow, I go sell am, carry my money enter house. Because that money wey me use say do something for there, I no go even, e no reach me to even buy land for here. E no go reach me to buy land for here. We all know na make people dey say, I must do this one, or I must do that one. Because if you do am, you go see wetin I achieve. Because for here, if you wan buy house, 30 years now you go stay there where you go dey pay. 25 years now you go dey pay the money. Every month they go dey collect am for your account. So now make person come look and go say, I get 500 euro, me I just send am. And then mona look for better place, so I wan buy land. You go buy land. For here, that money, you no reach you to do anything. Now only rent, you take and take pay rent. Finish. Now you go take and take pay, because you can't pay light bill, you can't pay this one. So my brothers and sisters, if e dey your mind say you wan do something back home, you wan do something for your country, do am na your investment. Nobody go follow you drag down. Do am in a way, no be say you go dey hungry for this side. You say you wan do, say you dey build house, fear no go let you eat. No, on your number one. Do am small small. Even though say na 10 years you take do am, e no matter. They do am small small for them. Even though say na 5 years, e no matter. Na your own. I go where to see me. So for that one, because many people dey the way they hungry. They say, Monica, you prend in giro. That is, you lie to us, say you don't get something. Now I believe her. Like me I not believe her. Say you not get anything for us. How you say you not get your investment for us? Many people they way just believe Monica say, hey, we no water any, you not get anything, you not get this one. I thought for like be. Because wetin make me dey talk this thing. Many people too they believe wetin they talk for social media. Na be the problem. Anything wey they talk for social media, they'll say that one are true. Especially say they like you. They will say wetin that person they talk. Na be the truth. Even though you try to tell them say this person, you know they tell una the truth. They will say, I will tell you. Now number one, na they talk truth pass. I believe because many people go there now when go say, hey, Monica, why you come and show us? You say you not get this one. You know go tell una everything. You get your own life where you go still live. It's just that Monica, you do it in a wrong way. You first tell them say, I even get one room for there. If una like Mona do. If una not like Mona not do, na choice. Because you not fit first person say you must build house for your country. You not fit first person say na Europe for here, now you go do and put. No, now where you like. Now your choice. If you give your advice, say if una want do, me una do. Me still get. But telling them say you know they go Nigeria, what you want go do for Potopoto area, what you want go do for there, why you want tell them say you still get your investment. Finish. And that one. You still get your investment. If you now want invest, more invest. Because for here, you no fit invest money. You no fit invest money, especially if you not be, person wey really know in way for this abroad. You no fit invest. Which kind of investment you want do? You get 10,000 euro when you want to start to dey invest. Now all those people now still they invest, say they buy house, they do this one, they get their own, or maybe their own small business. Not be everybody fit do that one. Not be everybody fit say, I get my investment for Europe. Before you get your investment, unless na mugu now you want go tell, before you get your investment, you know say get where you for get the money. Some people still there where they invest their money long time ago. When they come this abroad, they invest and where maybe they buy houses for Lagos, Abuja, all these things. They'll come decide, say, I don't want to stay in Nigeria again. They'll just, or maybe they get their, not be, they'll invest and they do like business or something like that for Nigeria. If they see, say, the something not come they good again, not come they go where, they will sell land. Maybe sell land like, me I just say about 30,000 euro. That 30,000 euro, you go carry and come here, come still take do something. All na investment. Everything we they do, na investment. If you get 1 naira, the house where you build there for Nigeria, maybe you spend depends on the house where you build, you spend 30,000 euro to build down. By tomorrow, by 10 years time, you say you want sell land. Not be that 30,000 you go take sell land. The money go multiply. You get one area that time. That area, if you want buy land, if you even get 100,000, you go see land buy. But today now, if you go that area, you know see 1.5 land for there. 1.5 million, you know go see am. But many people will invest that time, will buy many, because people they believe say this area too local, not open, I no fit go that side, But many people do, and when they invest where they buy land for them, maybe they buy reach 5 land. But today now, if they want go sell land, the money when they take buy at that time, it not reach anything. But when they go sell land, they go come see say, this one na investment. Na investment. So some mumu dey. So our mumu dey. If you tell them say, now this side now you go put your head, now that side now they go just put their head though. They not go listen, because they don't believe say this one person don't tell them say wanna not do something for house. They don't believe say I know they do again. God forbid, me I gather my money, me I want to build house for Europe. How much you want gather when you want to build house for Europe? Which time you take gather the money to build house for Europe? If you want buy house for Europe for year, if you get like maybe 10,000 or 20,000, put for front. Say you want buy house. The rest money where they want put for you, you go they pay am. You go pay am for maybe 20 or 30 years, then you go take pay am, because nothing go for nothing for this side. If you tell them they give you 20,000 euro, that 20,000 euro, make sure say go be 40,000 euro. Now you want give them back. It's just the truth. Many people don't know all these things. If you go borrow money for bank, they go double am for you. Now the thing. So some people they where if he still make her because he don't fair do something, he don't fair buy land for our country where that area not they open that time. But when you go sell land now, you will make boom, money go come. So money go come. So now some people see they invest their money. Many people will know their way, will invest and when. That's what they take do. So tell person say no invest your money and they gather am. They gather am make you take buy house for year. If you want buy house for year, now be say I not say make people not buy house, but before you say you want buy house for year, you will know what you want pass through. Because if you not fit pay, they go collect am. Even though say remain 10,000 euro, say you not fit pay, that bank go just collect and go bid their own property back. All the money where you don't fair pay, all go waste. So my brothers and sisters, if person tell una say I not get anything, na im mouth to tell you. No just believe everything wey person dey tell una. Some people they too they believe. Na im make churches, all these yeye pastor fake one, na im make them many, because our people they too believe people. Wetin person just open mouth talk, they'll say that thing na be truth. Mona still they use una brain. Say this thing wey this person tell me, na you tell me wetin I wan do for my way dey different. Dey different. So my brothers and sisters, I just want to tell you people that make una open our eyes. Make una open our eyes. This abroad where we dey, I make gbefo. I typho. They not talking too much. Wetin make me use pidgin English? Some people say, Mama, you still dey use Bini. Still dey use PG because many people dey we no dey understand Bini. Una no vex, my brothers and sisters. Now wetin I like. If I dey house, I dey speak language wey no be my own. So if I want still dey talk to una, say me I just still use my Bini take talk. So I go dey try me and dey miss am. I go dey use PG. I go dey still put that my Bini. I too like my Bini. I make gbefo with social media. Not be everything wey dey shine, I be good. Not be everything. People dey there. So people dey there. He go dey advise you. He go say they advise you, but he no fit advise himself. Can you imagine? He dey many. He go say they advise you, but he no fit advise himself. It's there. Some people dey fit give you advice, that advice na oga, but he no fit advise himself. Why he no fit advise himself? Maybe now God just see make am like that, say he go dey advise people dey go, but he no fit advise himself. He no fit put himself for where you understand wetin I mean. So no be all advice be advice. Some advice there, if they advise you, if you use am take do something, you go enjoy am. You go say, God bless you. God bless. Go dey bless that person they go. So advice there, if the person advise you, say this advice what this person give me, I want me I use and you come dey regret, say wetin make me go take that advice. So if person advise you, use your brain. Even me, if I advise you, use your brain. Whether na wetin go good for you, or whether not be something wey go good for you. Especially some of people wey just dey talk say, some people still they go say, if your husband just do you anyhow, just born am, matter. Me, I will never tell you to burn your husband because you will burn my don't use your hand to repair your something. Use your hand to don't let me wedgie. If you not use your hand to repair your something, another person from outside no can repair am for you. If you know say what you they do, say no good, now make your husband they treat you bad, you will change for that thing. Try to understand the man where you marry. Try to understand what he not like. Try to understand where you dey fuck up, where the man they maltreat you. Not be say beating, because not be all beating. Now be say that they maltreat. So men they go use mind till they go go use the mind till they go they do you one kind. The thing they go they pay you go say this man wetin I do, but he get wetin you do. So men still they don't tell you what you do. So not be all advice be advice. I will talk about this one maybe next time about husband and wife. I will talk about this one. So I just say I just little put this one. So my brothers and sisters, not be everything way they shine and be good though. More than they use una brain. Social media, if they advise una, mona sit down, make una say, this thing where this person talks, so me I use am, me I no use am. You feel use am, go good for you. You feel use am, you go come dey cry, say, who send me make I do am? Mona they use una brain. Everybody get your brain. Like me now, nobody go feel advise me say, this thing may you not do am. Where I get my own brain, I know wetin good for me. First of all, you go first see say wetin good for you, now you go do. Not be wetin good for other person. Not be say person where you not know before, you go come tell you say do one like this, do one like this. If you can't do one like this, do one like this, you can't say that thing is not come good for you. Who you go blame? You go blame yourself. You not go blame that person will tell you. So any advice where person give you, take am, check am, carry am up, carry am down before you go use am. My brothers and sisters, just a little message. So me una la me I dey beg many people, because many people they too believe, especially social media. They too believe. More una know they too much they believe. More una know they too much they believe. Me I can't tell you say na so my husband get a house go reach the other side, na so he get go reach the other side, whereas shishi e no dey. No be everything na dey believe. Person talk to una, una put am for ear. When I tell them ma no ya we me my near ya tie on your no real boku. If person talk to una, una dey pick am. If you want use am, you go first think am. If it affect you, if it not affect you, is depends of the advice wey person give you. Not be all advice be advice. Person no fit advise me say comot for your husband house because he say me with my husband get quarrel. That one no be advice. Let me say no be all advice be advice. If I tell you say, if person come tell me now say mama I marry Igbo, I no get anything for house. Person don't first tell me that kind of thing. He say mama you were marry Igbo now, maybe you no still get anything for us. Now I laugh. Now I say why you ask? He say because you get children for here, you get your husband for here, you no need to go back again. Now I tell am say everything, if anything wey I do for Nigeria na investment. If I wan go sell am tomorrow, na my investment. I no fit invest for country where I dey. I go invest for where I for dey come. If I wan sell am, na my thing. Who go tell me say me I no do am? But for here, you go pay there. Many people no know say the house wey you dey buy for here, wey you buy for abroad, say every year you dey pay for the land. Many people no know. You don buy the house, oh, na your own. Many people they don't know because they don't know because they dey for rent. Because if you dey for rent, it not concern you, concern that leech. Na leech they call am, where you dey pay every year. You go dey pay that tax. Na your house, oh, but that thing no dey happen for Nigeria. Every year you go dey pay for that thing. They say na leech that they call am. I don't know. You must dey pay am. But if you dey for rent, you no know say they get wetin they pay for every year. So my brother and sister, many things dey because many people no understand all these things. Me don still dey for inside now. I come see they know say when my husband tell me say you know how much we dey pay for every year for now. I say why would they pay? He said you na start, that is for the house. I say you go see buy your house, you go see the pay. Now I say for my house, I not dey pay anything for Nigeria. That is Nigeria for you. So there are many different things there where people don't know. Some people don't know. Some still know. Some still know say every year you must they pay this one, they pay this one. It still be like road now. Many people don't know say that they pay for this road where we they pass. Many people don't know say we they pay. You they pay, but you don't know. Now some still many people still they talk and say healthcare na free. Who tell you say na free? Who tell you say healthcare for abroad na free? It's not free, oh. Now the work where you they work, now inside them they for the collector. Many people don't know all these things. They will say this healthcare na free. If I go hospital, I no dey pay anything. If I go meet doctor, I no dey pay anything. It's not free because you are paying tax. Now it be the tax where you dey pay. Anytime where you take the work, they collect them for your salary. You don't pay them. So anytime when you go hospital, they go treat you. Your country is not free. It's not free. Nothing is free for abroad. Abroad, nothing free. Everything is pay. You must pay. If you not pay, you not go get them. You must pay because you dey work. If you not dey work, your wife dey work. Now inside there, now therefore they collect them. So my brothers and sisters, secret dey where many people don't know. So I just still leave this small message for you. So my brothers and sisters, if you like it dey your mind, say you want invest. Now Nigeria be the best place to invest money. Now the truth is just the truth. Because here you no fit invest. You no fit invest for here. I'm talking about those people where just, where money not still dey like that. Oh, I know they talk about all these big men where no, where they abroad. No, all these people they nowhere there for they get their money. All these small people where all these people where not see wey a hand no still reach, wey dey receive maybe €1,000 a month or 1,500 every month, na Nigeria be the best place for you to invest. And if you wan invest, no be area wey don open. No, if you go there, you no see land for 2 million. Where never open, na there. Because when you go buy for there, 5 years time, you go come open your mouth, you go say, this area, that time wey I buy land, no house, no nothing, but go see am 5 years time, you come see as e go come be. So my brother and sister, just a little advice for everybody. IFO. So Monica, my sister, if you dey advise your followers, because some of them too believe in you, as I still talk am, tell them the truth. Not just tell them say nothing go make me go Nigeria again, because many people believe say really you no dey go. Like me, I no believe. I no get one day wey I take believe you. That make me I no even come do audio say, Monica, we are Tana, why you tell you say you no go Nigeria again? I no believe you. When you talk say you no get anything, I no believe you. If you no get, your husband get. Wetin your husband get na your own. So but if you dey tell people, tell them in a way wey dem take dey understand, say see where I dey talk dey go, see wetin I dey talk. If you wan invest, is Nigeria the best place to invest your money? Nigeria na be the best place to invest your money. After you don invest am, you wan sell am next tomorrow, you wan sell am 3 years time, nobody go tell you say make you no sell am. And no be the money wey you take invest na you go na only that one go come out. No, no be only that one go come out. You go even gain and over gain go dey worry you. So my brother and sister, and depends of person wey wan help you, because you know say some of our Nigeria, if you say make dem help you buy land, if the land na 1 million, they will come tell you say na 1.5 or na 2 million. Una dey open na eye well. E dey for every family. Even me wey dey talk, so still dey for my own. No family is perfect, but wetin good, if you say make person help you do something, e really do am for you, even though say it's for your money, but you go see that thing wey e do for you, and that one na good pass. But some family, they go eat the money, you no go see even 1 cent. You no go even see land when they will tell you say, see, and I will buy come for you. So if una wan do all those things, una dey open na eye. Many people dey, even through lawyer, through agents, una dey open na eye. Una take dey do something. Una no let anybody deceive una say una no do something back home. If you do am today, 20 years time you sell am, na your property. That money you wan carry am come do something for here, you are free. That time you don decide where you wan stay put. Because many people wey dey for abroad, I never see maybe one wey go just carry a bag garlic, carry everything, you go say you wan go sit down for Nigeria, no dey come back again. E no dey, because something don enter our blood. As I talk am before, no light, no road, all those things, e go make your head crack. You go say I no dey go. Like say light, road good. Many people for dey carry bag garlic now go dey sit down for house here. I no dey stay Europe again. E too cold. So una invest una money well. Una invest am well. Una no let anybody deceive una say, as you see me so, I no get anything, I be 0. No, they are just deceiving you. They deceive you. If a person come out for social media say, me, I no get anything, I no wear yahoo, fuck am, I no wetin concern me. Na abroad na my life dey. You go know say wetin you get for house. And then all show a video, your eye go open. E get. Una no dey believe everything wey dem dey tell una. No be everything wey social media dey tell una na una go dey believe. Una dey use number 7 if una get. My brothers and sisters, just a little advice. Little advice. If you get money, say you fit invest for abroad for here, ben venga. Venivita local. Ben venga. Good. If you no get, say you no fit invest am for here, na small you wan go dey do am for house. good also. Good. Mona not let any person prend in giro una. Say you go where you after where you don't stay, because after where you don't stay many years for here, you go say, I just dey pay house rent, pay house rent. I no even get even land for Nigeria. Which kind life be that one? Wetin you get for Nigeria, if you still sell am, carry am come here. You go sell am, carry am come here. If you don decide say na here na be your life, na you wan stay, sell everything wey you invest for that side, carry am come here. Na your money. The time wey you dey do am that time, nobody dey see you. You just sell am, carry am come here, come use am take do better thing wey you wan do. Because money that time, maybe that time you invest, me I just say you don take for abroad, you don money really dey that time, you invest 30,000 euro well for Nigeria. But if you wan go sell am today, no be 30,000 euro go come out for where. Abeg my brothers and sisters, I just still talk am. I don still advise una. Who like e go take, who like e no take. Me I still get one room for that Nigeria. If I wan sell am tomorrow, it's my property. Nobody go tell me say don go there. I no get children for house. I no born for Nigeria. My children dey here, they are big boys. They no dey go Nigeria go stay but e no me. It's my investment. I do am. Say tomorrow I come abroad, I still do something. So this is the time for me to say, this wetin I get, I wan remove am. So that is just that, my brothers and sisters. From Untouchable Mama, one love. I see you for my next audio. Goodbye.